Okay, so today I learned about media and channel strategy, and it's quite important if you don't have like a lot of funds to, for example, do Facebook ads. You want to do marketing, and you want to do Facebook ads for a brand, and you want to do client acquisition, retargeting ads, Facebook primarily for a brand. And let's say they don't have a lot of funds, this brand, then this is a good way to add to your belt of tools, right? So you as a marketer understand that you can use the strategy, and the strategy is called media and channel strategy. And basically what this is about is like, according to my notes here, so we need to pick the right channels. We need to use them smartly and don't try everything at once. We need to track results and improve, right? Like, don't shout. Like this analogy, I like it very much. And this is my take on this learning today that I learned about media and channel strategy, right? My take on this is that we don't shout everywhere. We start where the audience is, and we do it well, and we add more. So for example, we could do a step-by-step channel, like start small, start with maybe Google ads, right? Which I'm going to learn more later on about in this 30 days, right? And maybe make useful blogs, or maybe do SEO, and later we can use Facebook ads. If not have a lot of funds, this strategy is very good, this media and channel strategy, right? And yeah, so Facebook ads is good, but it's good if you have kind of some funds to play with and you are prepared to go ROI negative for quite some time until you kind of figure it out, right? If you have funds, and if the brand kind of have like some funds, then this is a good play. Also, this is good for later on because I'm not going to stick to agency forever, right? I'm going to potentially pivot into a different business, potentially e-commerce, because I've done e-commerce, and when I'm having the funds to do from the agency, I'm gonna pivot into e-commerce, and I'm going to this formula is going to be this kind of thing that I learned today is going to be very useful for then, which is media and channel strategy, right? If you do not have like a lot of funds. And this is what I learned today. And what I used to learn this is a video. I watched a video. I took notes. These are my notes right here. These, I don't know if you can see it because I can't flip my camera. So I can just, show the angle like this. But yeah, I took some notes, and I also listened to a podcast. I screen recorded it, and then I uploaded it to YouTube. Then used a tool, I don't know what's called, but just search YouTube summary tool and you will find it, and plug the YouTube link there, or uploaded the screen recording to YouTube, and then I copied the YouTube link and uploaded to this summary tool, and then summarize it, and then put the summary and notes into my paper here, and so I have a summary. So basically also leverage AI, because schools and universities and stuff like that, they say don't use AI, but it's just BS. Use AI. So that's it for today's learning. And for the activity, I did a Spotify media mix. So for Spotify, right, I said, okay, what kind of channels do they use? Well, they use Google, YouTube ads, social, podcasts, email, partnership, and events. And their strengths is wide reach, influencers, artists, collabs, data-driven targeting, Their weaknesses is overlap, oversaturation. Like if you don't have Spotify Premium, then you kind of get these you kind of get these uh, what is it called? You kind of get these, you know, things. I don't know the English word for it. But you get these audios over and over, and they're repeated over and over again. Like, don't miss out on Spotify Premium. Don't miss out on Spotify. Like, it's so oversaturated. So that's kind of a improvement they can do. And yeah, they have weak offline also, I think, presence. And emails are not like fully personalized. You know, they're kind of personalized, like they contain